Okay, so VLOOKUP nested in array formula. Okay, so we say, please, everybody, pay attention. We say equals ARR. So we choose array formula. Are we there? Okay, so we do our VL so that we can choose our VLOOKUP. Are we there? Okay, so the search key, the difference between the array formula here and the normal formula is where the search key will. So in the normal formula, we'll just come and select D5. So this time we are going to select from D5 to infinity. So if you click on D5, just highlight to the next one, which is D6, and then you come to the formula bar, okay, and delete D6 so that you can say D5 to D. Okay, everybody, D5 to D. So this one, this time around, you are not going to make it fixed. No. Okay, because this will change. So you say D5 to D. Everybody, are we together? D5 to D. D. Okay, then we have our comma. Then now the next part of the syntax is what? The range. The range is our chart of accounts table. Okay, we start from here. Count code. Shift control, arrow going to the right. Shift control, arrow going to the right. Oh, why? Okay, arrow going to the right. And then now we can delete it so that it can become F1 to I. So because this one will be a fixed range, we press F4. Or if you don't have F4, you can prefix it with what? With $sign. Okay, then after that we do a comma, and our index is 2, isn't it? The column we want to return is 2, so we type 2 and a comma 0 0 4, making sure that whatever we look out for, let it bring exactly that. So 0 for exact match, whilst 1 is for similar match. We don't use similar match, but exact match. Okay, and then after that we enter. If you enter, look at the magic. Look at the magic. Do you replicate yourself? No. No, no double click. You have to find your F4. Yes.
I don't want to be typing.
Yes. Okay, let me just end this right.